Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I showed you guys how to curl the ends of your braids. So I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to get the ends of your braids straight again, or how to remove those curls. I'm going to separate the braids so I can dip the ends in sections. So we're going to be dipping the ends of the hair in boiling hot water, and we're going to be doing this motion a few times. So up, down, up, down. When drying off the ends of the hair, add a little tension and pull downwards. This should help with straightening the ends. Now we're going to be doing the exact same thing as before, but these curls are a little more tight, so we're going to do that up and down motion a few more times. Here it should look something like this. We're going to be dipping all of the ends in hot water again. So apply some grease on the ends. And we're not going to be using the water that we previously used. We're going to get a fresh refill of boiling hot water. We're going to dip the ends of the braids one final time. And you can repeat this step as many times as you need to achieve your bone straight look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, or like. Bye.